Good morning to all. I am Dr. V. Bharati Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics. Today we are going to learn about air wedge. Definition of air wedge. A wedge-shaped air film formed between the two glass plates where one end is kept in contact and other end is free is known as a air wedge. In figure shows the construction of the air wedge. From the figure, let AB and CD be the two optically flat glass plates. One end of the glass plate is contact with the help of a rubber band within the thin wire, whose thickness has to be determined, is inserted in the other end to form a air-shaped wedge. Light from a monochromatic source S is made parallel by a lens L, which falls on the glass plate G kept at an angle of 45-degree inclination, so that the parallel beam after reflection at G falls normally on the wedge forming plates AB and CD. The light is partly reflected from AB and CD, pass through the glass plate G and reach the microscope. Depending on the path difference between these reflected rays, interference takes place and hence bright and dark straight line fringes are formed perpendicular to the length of the wedge. Theory. Let theta be the small angle formed by a AB and CD. Let us consider a point P at a distance of x1 from the end A and the thickness of the air film be T at P. Path difference between the rays reflected at the bottom glass plate is CD and top of the glass plate is AB is 2 mu T, where mu is the refractive index of medium forming wedge. An additional path difference lambda by 2 is formed between the beams. Since reflection occurs at the rarer to denser separation, total path difference equal to 2 mu t minus lambda by 2. For dark fringes, 2 mu t equal to n lambda. Substituting the value of t, we get the fringe width as, that is, the fringe width beta equal to x2 minus x1 equal to lambda by 2 mu theta, where fringe width beta is the distance between two successive bright and dark fringes. If the thickness of the thin wire forming the wedge is d and L is the length of the air wedge, then beta equal to lambda L by 2d. So d equal to lambda L by 2 beta. Using this above equation, we can determine the thickness of the wire. Thank you.